The topic of the sermon today is people want success at all costs. People want success at all costs. The Bible reading is from the book of Job, chapter 21, verses 14 and 15. The desire and determination to achieve success at all costs is making people disregard the instructions of the Lord. Today, many people in the world do not desire the knowledge of the ways of the Lord or take pleasure in obeying His instructions. Many people don't want to know the will of the Lord for their lives because what is paramount in their hearts is their aspirations. The concern of the majority of the people in the world is to make their dreams become a reality, immaterial of the repercussions. People are losing interest in the ways of the Lord at an alarming rate, and they don't want to be bothered with His teachings because of the vanities of this world. The book of Job describes this nefarious behavior. Book of Job, chapter 21, verse 14. And I will read, "Yet they say to God, Depart from us, for we do not desire the knowledge of your ways." I have a question. Are you one of the people who are saying that you don't want no part of the Lord or His ways? Change before it is too late. The willingness to strive to attain distinction without consideration for righteousness is widespread throughout the world today. It is a common occurrence for people to compromise their faith because of their aspirations. The rate at which people are being taken captive by Lucifer is alarming due to their desire for wealth, their desire for fame and power. It is an open secret that even the Christians are trading their hope of inheriting the kingdom of God for hope of achieving earthly things. At this end time, Satan is waging war against believers by using their earthly aspirations to cause their downfall before the Lord and putting them in bondage. Obsession and addiction is rampant among the beloved, and they are the weapons of choice that Satan is using to lure people away from the righteous path. It is time to raise awareness among the Christendom so that the believers will not preoccupy or fill their minds continually with vanities of this world. They must show interest in the work of God instead of the materialistic thoughts that continually preoccupies and intrudes on their minds. Believers must not exhibit any dependency on any contrary thing or activity, but rely solely on God. They must discard any craving that is against the commandments of God. They must not be addicted to anything or allow anything in this world to enslave them. This is according to the book of Corinthians, 1 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 12. And now read, "All things are lawful for me, but all things are not helpful. All things are lawful for me, but I will not be brought under the power of any. Do not be addicted to anything. May it be your phone or your computer or any work or food or medications. You must flee from everything that is neither spiritually helpful or beneficial. Never allow anything to gain control or have power over you. So, refrain from anything that can permit Satan to put you in perpetual prison or perpetual bondage. May the Lord bless His words.